So hello everyone. First of all, let me welcome you in India's one of the top institute channel in upcoming IS. Now let's watch out the highlights first. First, PM Modi announces December 26 to be celebrated as Veer Bal Divas. Second, Golden Globe 2022 winners. Third, Tata Group is the new IPL sponsor. Fourth, Henley Index Passport Ranking 2022 announced. Fifth, AP government increases retirement age. Sixth, S. Somnath is the new ISRO chief. Seventh, budget session of Parliament to begin from January 31. Eighth, the Defence Ministry launched three initiatives. Ninth, Niti Aayog released the North Eastern Region District SDG Index. And the last one, 10th, UK government launched Better Health Smoke Free campaign. Now student, let's watch out all these highlights in a brief manner. Let's see first one. Prime Minister Modi has declared that starting this year, 26th December shall be marked as Veer Bal Divas. The day in India will be observed on the same day Sahibzada Zorawar Singh Ji and Sahibzada Fateh Singh Ji attained martyrdom after being sealed alive in a wall. Let's see second. Hollywood Foreign Press Association announced the Golden Globe Awards 2022 winners in a private ceremony. Netflix The Power of the Dog won Best Film Drama, while 20th Century Studios West Side Story won Best Film, Musical or Comedy, while Will Smith won his first ever Golden Globe Award. Now let's see third. The chairman of IPL Brijesh Patel has confirmed that Tata will replace Vivo as the title sponsor of IPL 2022, which will be an upcoming edition of tournament. He also informed that Vivo still has 2 years left in its sponsorship deal with IPL, and as a result, during this period, Tata Group will remain the main sponsor. Let's see fourth. The Henley Passport Index has released the passport ranking for the first quarter of 2022. Indian passport has seen a significant improvement in its rank compared to 2021. Japan and Singapore passports have emerged as the world's most powerful passports in 2022. Let's see fifth. The government of Andhra Pradesh has announced an increase in the retirement age of the state government employees. The state government has also extended the retirement age for AP government staff from the existing 60 years to 62 years and has announced a salary hike for government employees. Now let's see 6. S. Somnath has been appointed as the new chief of Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. He will succeed K. Sivan as the new ISRO chairman, who completed his extended tenure on January 7, 2022. Somnath is currently serving as the director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, that is VSSC. Now let's see 7th. The budget session of Parliament will begin on January 31, 2022 and will be held in two parts. The budget in the Parliament will be presented on February 1. The final conclusion of the budget 2022 session will be on April 8. The session will begin with the addresses of President Kovind to the joint sitting of both the houses. Now let's see the 8th. The Defence Ministry has launched three new initiatives for the welfare of the ex-servicemen and their families on the occasion of Armed Force Veteran Day. It is celebrated on January 14 every year. Now let's see the next one. Niti Aayog released the North Eastern Region District SDG Index, with technical support from the United Nations Development Programme, that is UNDP. The index measured the performance of the district of the 8th northeastern state. A district wise index is being prepared in the country for the first time. This SDG index will be used as a base for planning various development and welfare activities, education, healthcare. Now let's see the next one. The UK government has launched a new initiative named Better Health Smoke Free campaign, which highlights the impact of adult smoker on younger people. The campaign has urged the smoker to quit smoking. As per the data released by the campaign, 4.9% of teenagers whose parents smoke have also adopted the habit. New Zealand has also set goals to go smoke free by 2030.